Gold prices retreated on Friday, falling over 2% from a record high above $4,300 per ounce, influenced by a stronger US dollar and President Trump's statement that broad tariffs on China were not sustainable. Spot gold was down 2.6% to $4,212.99 per ounce, after reaching an all-time high of $4,378.69 earlier in the day. On Thursday, gold exceeded 4,300 Oz for the first time and is on track for a weekly gain of approximately 5%. U.S. gold futures for December delivery decreased by 1.8% to $4,225.8. The dollar index increased by 0.1, making dollar-denominated gold more expensive for international buyers. Earlier in the session, gold was briefly headed for its best week since the collapse of Lehman Brothers in September 2008, which triggered the global financial crisis. According to independent metals trader Tai Wang, President Trump's more accommodating stance, since initially announcing 100% tariffs, has lessened some of the intensity in the precious metals market. Trump also confirmed a meeting with his Chinese counterpart, which eased market concerns about the growing trade conflict between the two nations. Gold, typically seen as a safe haven during times of uncertainty, has risen more than 62% this year due to geopolitical tensions, central bank purchases, a shift away from the dollar, and substantial inflows into gold exchange-traded funds. Expectations of U.S. interest rate cuts have also provided support for the non-yielding asset. Suki Cooper, global head of commodities research at Standard Chartered Bank, forecasts gold to average $4,488 in 2026, noting further upside potential from broader structural factors impacting the market. Markets anticipate a 25 basis point rate cut at the Federal Reserve's October meeting and another in December. CBC increased its average gold price forecast for 2025 by $100 to $3,455 per ounce, projecting it to reach $5,000 an ounce. Meanwhile, physical gold demand in Asia remained robust, even as prices reached new highs, with Indian premiums at a decade high ahead of festival season. Spot silver dropped 5.1% to $51.48 per ounce, after hitting a record high of $54.47. Following gold's rally, silver is poised for a 2.6% weekly gain. Platinum fell 6.1% to $1,607.69, and palladium declined 8.1% to $1,483.75.